you guys just saw me just demo planning my face, and then I'm also going to be washing my hair and also plaiting my hair with you guys. And yeah, welcome to another vlog. And I just want to show you the products that I was using on my face. And firstly, I wanted to show you this methylated spirits. So this methylated spirits, what I do is after I've shaven my face, I like to actually sterilize. I like to sterilize the, what you call, I like to sterilize the thingy. What should we on this thing? After I've shaved my face, I like to sterilize this facial razor using methylated spirit. So if you have alcohol, you can use alcohol. I don't have alcohol, so that's why I'm using this. It actually is good for actually sterilizing things. Okay, so what I did is I used this facial razor which I bought at Mr. Price, and there were three for 40 rand. So I used this facial razors by Scarlet Hill. For my eyebrows, I used this spoolie. So this spoolie is from Benefit. This spoolie is a Benefit brush. So yeah, just to brush up. The other mistake I did was using the oil on my lashes. In fact, it's best to use Vaseline, not oil. As you guys saw, that I was not able to shape them the way that I wanted to shape them, and it didn't come out the best way. But you know what, we're learning to live. I just wanted to try the oil. To see if it will work, but it was a bad idea. Don't do it. So this oil, I use it mostly. I used to use it a lot in winter. So after doing my after doing my night skin routine, I would put this on top. But I no longer do that. So what I use it for is for whenever I demo plan my face. I use this oil. I bought it at Take a Lot years ago. I think this is about 2 years or 3. Yeah, 2 years or 3 years. 2 years, I think. But it's 100% marula cold press organic oil. Can definitely check it out at Woolies. It's called, the brand is Standard. And what else did I use? And I used my Standard facial cleanser by CeraVe. I forgot to tell you guys actually that if you have a dry skin and you're looking for a cleanser, this is definitely the one for you. You can find it at Clicks or Discount. It's around 300 if I'm not mistaken, but it's worth it because it lasts very long. And also I wanted to actually share with you also, guys, that after I shaved my face, I used cold water to press into my skin, because you know sometimes after you shaved your face can get quite heated. So I just used some cold water just to cool it down, because I don't have alcohol to just put on my face. So I used some cold water, and you know what, I'm quite happy. I'm not happy with the eyebrows, but you know what, we learn, we live. Hi guys, so it's been a couple of hours now. It's actually, what time is it? It is around 1:30 to 2. So I'm gonna wash my hair, as you guys can see. Okay, so yeah, so I haven't relaxed my hair since February, so I've been just washing it all these months. I'll relax my hair in summer. So I'm about to relax it, and then once I'm about to wash it, and once I'm done washing it, what I love to do is to actually just plait it. You know, I just plait a simple Benny and Betty just to keep it out of my face. And yeah, with no further ado, let's start. I just want to quickly show you the products that I'll be using. So the products that I am using are organics. I use organics, so I use the organic shampoo, which is the anti-hair fall shampoo. Love the shampoo so much. And then I go in with the conditioner, also anti-hair fall shampoo. Okay, so I go in with these two. So I wash with this and then I conditioner with this one. And then if I want to do like a deep conditioner, sometimes I sit an hour under conditioner. I go for this originals hair mayonnaise. It's by the African's Best. So yeah, this deep conditioner helps treat and repair dry or damaged hair. If I feel like my hair is a bit too dry, it's a bit damaged, I use this one. I leave it for an hour. Smells okay. So this is how it looks inside. So I'm not too sure if I want to go with this or do I want to go with the other one. Which one should I go for? Okay, so gonna be using these two. Using this two, so let's go wash my hair. Okay guys, we are done washing my hair. I'm just gonna dry it now. I just want to comb it out a bit. So I use a t-shirt for my hair to dry up my hair, and then yeah, I use a t-shirt to dry up my hair. And I'm gonna use a towel just to put all over my shirt, all over me, so that I can be able to dry out my hair. But firstly, I want to comb it out. I just remembered, before I start using the products on my hair, let me show you the products that I use. So the first product that I love to use is the Tresemme Heat Defense Spray. So I spray this after I comb out my hair. I'm going to spray this. So I first go in with this one. After I go in with the Tresemme, I dry my hair. After I'm done drying my hair, I go in with the hair growth oil by Native Child. I base it on my scalp and then just rub it in my scalp. And also I've been using, so basically this is finished. So I took this MPL hair oil vitamin E, I poured it in here. So this is what's inside, this is what's inside here, and then I just use this to just run through my scalp. And then for this this oil can be, because this is oil can be drying to hair. So I'll put you on this one, the Soft and Free Black Castor Oil anti-dandruff moisturizing braid spray. This is so moisturizing. When you mix these two on your scalp, it actually moistures your scalp. So try them both. You can try a hair food with an oil. Then the last part that I go in is this product, the Dark and Lovely Total Repair 5 Oil Moisturizer. And then after that, we are good. So let's start. my hair is so painful. Whew, let's try it again. A decade later. Okay, so this is how my hair looks like. You know, guys, how I told you earlier on that I will be actually relaxing my hair in summer. I don't think so. This hair was so painful. It was so painful. Wait a minute, my lips are dry. My lips are dry. Okay, that's it. I don't think I'll be able to sit with this hair because it is so tangled inside. Just to comb it, it was so painful. But anyway, let's not waste any time. Let's plait this hair. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open a line. Then I'm just gonna do two I can see the ponytails. I'm just going to plait my hair this side and this side and just join them. You guys will see. So let's start. Hey guys, thank you for spending the day with me. That was my maintenance day, so I didn't do a lot. It was just my face, washed my hair, and then did this. So I usually just love, after washing my hair, I usually just plait my hair like this, or just do 4 blocks, and then it holds me down for like a few days. Even the line sometimes it's not, as you can see, it's not really straight. It's something that I just do for the house. But when I'm out and about, it's either I put a wig on or I put a hat on. Hope you enjoyed spending the day with me. You enjoyed today's vlog. So I just wanted to share a quick update with you. I've changed my affirmations. The ones that were on the old robe, I've changed them. I'm just going to read just 2 to you, and then we'll be ending this vlog. So Philippians 2:3, Philippians chapter 2 verse 3 says, "Do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit. Rather, in humility, value others above yourselves." And then 2 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 10 says, "That is why, for Christ's sake, I delight in weaknesses, in insults, in hardships, in persecutions, in difficulties. For when I am weak, then I am strong." So, you know, guys, I've been struggling with actually just keeping a positive mindset and just trusting myself, especially in just believing in my craft, believing in my dreams. You know, I find myself often just being down on myself. So I just need another push. So I've decided to change my affirmations. So those were just the 2 that I've just read, but I do have other ones. I will update you in another vlog. Do enjoy yourselves. Goodbye. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm watching you.